Okay, good morning, boys and girls. It's Tuesday, the 19th of January, and in today's lesson, we're going to be discussing haiku poems in a bit more detail than we did yesterday. Before we move on, just have a think about everything you can remember about haiku poems. So pause the video. And welcome back. Okay, so haiku poems. Do you remember how many lines are there in a haiku poem? There are 3 lines. Okay, and the next question is in the first, well, let's talk about syllables really. What is a syllable? And the answer to this is that a syllable is a small sound within a word, within a single word. And then the next question is, how many syllables do you have in the first line, the second line, and the third line? And the answer to that is 5, then 7, and then 5. Okay, let's take a look at another haiku poem. Okay, so this one is called Cats. So, cats. Cats are really soft. Cats are really fluffy and playful. So, first of all, I know you're probably itching to tell me something, but anyway, let's do this one step at a time. First of all, how many syllables are there in the first line? Okay, cats are really soft. So let's have a think. Cats are really soft. So that's 5. That's great. Yep, so far so good. Second line, think about it first. Okay, let's have a look. Cats are really fluffy and playful. Oh, right. Let's have a look. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 syllables. Right. So, how many syllables should there be in the second? In the second line. That's right. It should be 7. So, what could you do to these words to make sure that it's only got 7 syllables? Stop the video, pause the video rather, and see what you think. Welcome back. So there are 9 syllables in this line, and in the middle line of a haiku we only can have 7 syllables, so therefore we need to get rid of 2 syllables. So 2 syllables. Now fluffy has got 2 syllables, so if we got rid of fluffy, then the line would read, cats are really and playful. Well, that's nonsense. That doesn't work, does it? So let's forget that. Let's get rid of playful. That's 2 syllables. So cats are really fluffy and. Again, that's nonsense. So we can't do that. So I'm sure you've got there already. We need to get rid of 2 syllables. Oh, I tell you what, let's have another attempt. Cats are, so that's 2 syllables. So the middle line becomes really fluffy and playful. Okay, that's 7 syllables, but it doesn't really make sense. So let's try again. And what we really need to do, really, there we go, is get rid of that. So now the second line reads, cats are fluffy and playful. And that would take us down to 7 syllables, which is the correct number. What else is wrong with this poem? Yes, of course, it hasn't got a third line. Okay, so pause the video and see if you can think of a third line. Okay, welcome back. Right, so let's have a go at typing a third line. Now, they've got the word cats at the beginning of each line, so I think we'll carry on because that runs well. So cats are really soft, cats are really fluffy and playful. Cats cats like to, so that's 3 syllables, isn't it? Cats like to. Now, we've got 2 syllables left. So we could either have 2 separate words. So cats like to eat fish. Eat fish. There we go. That could work. Or we could have one word with 2 syllables. So cats like to. What do they like to do? They like to scamper. That's an interesting word. And scamper means, it's a word which means to run about, but to run about playfully. I think we'll go with the eat fish. Eat fish. Okay. Right. So now that's a proper haiku. Okay. Right. Let's have a look. It's another one. So the poem is called Dogs. Dogs are really nice. Dogs are playful and happy. Dogs are really super. So let's just check the number of syllables. So dogs are really nice. That's correct. Dogs are playful and and happy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then dogs are really super. Okay, so that's 5. Oops. Oh no, it's not, is it? It's 6. Look, dogs are really super. Okay, so your task for this is you've got to change this last line to make sure that it's got 5 syllables. Okay, pause the video. Okay, what did you think? Now, we need to either get rid of that word and replace it with a 1-syllable word, or get rid of that word and replace it with a 1-syllable word. If we took that word out, then the line would become dogs really super, which has got the right number of syllables, but I'm afraid I don't really like that. It just doesn't sound right. So let's have dogs. So dogs are really, so what we want is an adjective to describe dogs with 1 syllable. So you think of an adjective. See if you can come up with an adjective that describes dogs and it's only got to have 1 syllable. Pause the video. Okay, welcome back. How did you get on? I think you could have great. Okay, or you could have something like fab, or you could have keen. Oops. Or you could have. I think fab is a good one. Do you not like that? No. Okay, great. Dogs are really great. Okay, that's our haiku. So dogs are really great. That's our. We've done it now. Right now. I guess it's about time we started thinking about haikus with that talk about volcanoes, because that's what you're going to have to do when you do your haiku. So this is called volcanic ash. People run from ash. Ash cloud goes towards something. Okay, and then something destroys houses. Right. So first of all, syllables. Let's count. So people run from ash. 5 syllables, that's great. Ash cloud goes towards, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 7, so 1, 2. So we need a word. Whoops, that's my email. We need a word that has got 2 syllables. And then destroys houses, so 4 syllables in the bottom line. How many syllables do we need in the bottom line altogether? Yep, it's 5, so therefore we need 1 more. So 2 syllables there, please. 1 syllable there, please. What do you think? Pause the video. And welcome back. So ash cloud goes towards what? So we could put ash clouds goes towards, we could put people in again, I guess. We could, yeah, but we've already used that. Ash clouds goes towards, oh, we could say something completely different, goes towards the town, or we could say ash cloud goes towards scared men. Okay, I'm sure the women and the children are scared as well. So ash cloud goes towards, I think the town is a fairly good way to do it. So now we've got ash cloud goes towards the town. That's seven syllables. And then on the bottom line, we've got something destroys houses. Now, we could say ash destroys houses. We could say it destroys houses. Yeah, I think we'll stick with that, okay? Because certainly ash cloud is very, very dangerous. Okay, that's the end of this part of the video. What you need to do now is go back to the website to find out what you need to do after this. Okay, see you in a little bit. Bye bye.